our prayer.
Panginoon, maraming salamat po sa araw na ito. Pinasapit niyo po kami payapat at ligtas dito po sa aming paaralan. Nawalan po ng aming mapag-aaralan, baitin mo po sa aming mga isipan. Ito po'y magamit po namin sa hinaharap aming Ama. Ito po'y magagamit po namin sa tungo sa ipagtatagumpay po ng bawat sa amin. Ang guro po maunang po sa amin, pahiragan din po ng karunungan na nagmumula sa iyo. Nang upang may turo po niyo ng maayos at malinaw lahat po ng lesson na pag-aaralan po namin. Patawarin niyo po kami sa lahat po ng aming nagpupulong at pagkakasalan. Hinihiling na po namin ang lahat ng ito ang masa ng pangalan ko Yesu na pinag.
Amen. So, you may now take your seat. So, once I call your name, say present if you are here. Is Gabriel Kabustan?
Present na po.
Is Diana Martinez?
Present na.
Okay, very good. I am glad that you are all present here today. So our topic for today is all about performing mensuration and calculation. So I have here prepared a game, so let's play. So the name of the game is Identify Me. So the instruction of this game, you must read the question carefully and identify the correct answer. Every correct answer will be given an additional point in the activity or in the quiz later on. So the first one is this. So it says here that I am a measuring tool or measuring instrument used to determine the resistance of a component or equipment. Anyone? Okay, Miss Camille?
Multimeter.
Oh, let me check. Let us check. I think Miss Camille got the wrong answer, but it's okay. You can answer again in the next slide. So next, I am needed for more accurate and quality output. Anyone? Miss Lennon?
Electronic machine.
Okay, let's check. Okay, very good, Miss Diana. You have a 1 point in the activity. Next, I am an equipment that provides 3 functions. Anyone? Miss Diana?
Volt ohmmeter.
Okay, let's check. Okay, very good, Miss Diana. Next, I have a piece of electronic test equipment that allows signal voltage to be viewed. Okay, Miss Camille?
Oscilloscope po.
Let's check. Very good. I have a device which produces simple waveforms. And what? It is there.
Signal delay.
Let's check. Okay, very good. So, I know that you are all familiar with the equipments and tools because we already discussed it last time. So, I hope you already mastered it. So, this is our topic, carrying out measurements and calculations. Finally, what comes in your mind or do you hear the word binary? Anyone? Okay, Miss Camille.
Numbers.
Okay, very good. Is that the any idea? Okay, okay. Now, the word binary describes a numbering scheme in which there are only 2 possible values for each digit. The 0 and 1. And is the basis for all binary code used in computing systems. So, ang sabi dito, there are only 2 possible numbers in binary, which is 0 and 1. You must all remember that. So, how to convert decimal numbers into binary? So, before we discuss this, so we convert decimal numbers
11 minutes pa lang. May cut-cut pa yan.
So, I will try to check if your answers is correct. I guess you have already finished your activity.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
let's try this. 45. We will convert it to binary. 45 divided by 2. So, what is the answer? Answer? 24. 24 divided. So, so 45 divided by 2 is 22.5. So there is a remainder. So you will write it here. So there is a remainder. So there is 1. Then 22 divided by 2 is 11. May remainder ba?
0, wala po.
Okay. 11 divided by 2. May remainder ba? 5.5. Okay. May remainder ba? Yes. So 5 divided by 2? 2.5. Remainder? Yes. So 1. 2 divided by 2? 1. So there is no remainder. So 0. So you will write it from bottom to top. So the right value. So 2 divided by wait, 2 divided by 2, there is no remainder. So 1. 1 divided by 2 is 1. So dyan na itigil. Kasi online yung motion ko. So ang binary natin, sulat natin siya from bottom to top. So ang binary is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. This is the binary. So do you get the correct answer, guys?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So this is the answer, class. Do you get the correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So now we have a game. It is called decimal to binary dash. So who wants to read the instruction? Okay, Miss Carmen.
In this game, we'll be putting our decimal to binary conversion skills to the test. I have a box filled with mystery numbers. Each of you will get a chance to grab a number, convert it from its secret code or decimal to computer language binary, and then show off your answer to them.
Okay, so I have here a box filled with mystery numbers. So you will pick from the random numbers, then you will show your answer to the class. It is clear, guys? Or are we clear? Are we clear, guys?
Class.
Are we clear, class?
Ulit, 1, 2, 3, go!
Are we clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I will give you 3 minutes to answer that and then show your answers in front. Okay, I think that's enough. So are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
So who wants to go first?
Me, ma'am.
Okay, Miss Nela, let it go. Okay, you pick the number 104. So 104 divided by 2 is 52. Okay, there is no remainder. 52 divided by 2 is 26. There is no remainder. Okay, there is no remainder. Okay, very good. There is a remainder. Okay. Do you want to show it to us? You pick the number 99. Okay. 99 divided by 2 is 49.